When you buy a car, you're not just buying transportation, you're buying peace of mind. Nobody wants to deal with endless repair bills, surprise breakdowns, and the stress of wondering if their car will even start in the morning. But what if I told you there are cars out there so reliable, so tough, that people drive them for decades without major problems? Cars that owners swear by and mechanics almost never see in their shops. Today, we're counting down the top 13 cars that never break down and can last you practically forever. From family sedans that run 500,000 miles to rugged trucks built to survive anything, this list is your guide to the cars that will never let you down. Stick around until the very end, because the number one pick is so legendary for reliability, some owners still drive the same car after 20 years, and it's just as dependable as day one. Number 13, Honda Accord. The Honda Accord has been a bestseller for decades, and there's a good reason why. It's not just stylish and practical, it's one of the most reliable cars ever built. Owners regularly report their Accords lasting 300,000 to even 500,000 miles, with only basic maintenance like oil changes and timing belts. RepairPal consistently ranks it above average for dependability, and mechanics love it because parts are easy to find and cheap to replace. Even older models from the early 2000s are still on the road today, proving the Accord is the kind of car you buy once and keep forever. Number 12, Toyota Camry. If the Accord has a rival in the reliability game, it's the Toyota Camry. Known as the forever car, the Camry has been topping Consumer Reports' reliability charts for decades. It may not be the flashiest sedan, but that's the point. It's built to last, not just impress. Many Camrys easily cross 300,000 miles with no major issues. With fuel-efficient engines, smooth handling, and legendary Toyota build quality, the Camry is a safe bet for anyone who wants a car that never quits. Number 11, Lexus RX 350. Luxury cars usually come with expensive repair bills, but the Lexus RX 350 breaks that rule completely. Built on Toyota's bulletproof engineering, the RX 350 combines comfort and reliability in one package. Owners rave about how little maintenance it requires compared to European luxury SUVs like BMW or Mercedes. Consumer Reports has given it near-perfect reliability scores for over 10 years straight. If you want luxury without the stress of constant repairs, the RX 350 is the SUV to keep forever. Number 10, Honda Civic. The Honda Civic is one of the most popular cars worldwide, and it's earned that spot by being nearly indestructible. Mechanics often joke that Civics don't die, they just keep driving until the body rusts away. It's not unusual for Civics to hit 400,000 miles with proper care. Compact, fuel-efficient, and cheap to maintain, the Civic is the kind of car parents pass down to their kids, and it still runs like New Year's later. Number 9, Toyota Corolla. When people say bulletproof reliability, they're probably talking about the Toyota Corolla. It's the best-selling car in history, with over 50 million units sold worldwide, and much of that success comes from its dependability. Corollas from the 1990s are still seen on roads today, proving they're built to last generations. Low maintenance costs, excellent fuel economy, and simple engineering make the Corolla the definition of a forever car. Number 8, Mazda MX-5 Miata. Sports cars usually mean high repair bills, but not the Mazda Miata. This little roadster has been ranked the most reliable sports car in the world by J.D. Power and Consumer Reports. Its small 4-cylinder engine is simple, tough, and easy to repair. Owners report driving Miatas for 200,000 to 300,000 miles without major problems. If you want fun, affordability, and reliability all in one, the Miata proves you can have it all without sacrificing peace of mind. Number 7, Subaru Outback. The Subaru Outback is built for adventure and reliability. Known for its all-wheel drive system and rugged design, it's a favorite among outdoor lovers. With proper maintenance, many Outbacks reach 250,000 miles or more, and their engines are famous for lasting decades. The only caution? Older models sometimes had head gasket issues, but Subaru solved that problem in newer generations. Today's Outback is a reliable tank for families and adventurers alike. Number 6. Lexus ES 350. The Lexus ES 350 is basically a Toyota Camry in a luxury suit. That means you get Toyota's unmatched reliability with Lexus comfort. J.D. Power consistently rates the ES 350 as one of the most dependable luxury cars in the world. Owners say they drive it for years without a single major repair. Smooth, quiet, and built to last, the ES 350 proves luxury and longevity can go hand in hand. Number 5. Toyota 4Runner. If SUVs had a king of reliability, it would be the Toyota 4Runner. This rugged, body-on-frame SUV has a reputation for lasting forever. Many 4Runners are still running strong after 400,000 miles, especially those used as off-road or work vehicles. It's the kind of SUV that can climb mountains one day and haul kids to school the next, all without breaking down. In fact, some owners call the 4Runner the last real SUV because it's so durable compared to modern crossovers. Number 4. Honda CR-V. The Honda CR-V is one of the best-selling compact SUVs in the world. Families love it for its space, efficiency, and comfort, but mechanics love it for how rarely it needs repairs. The CR-V is famous for its engines that can last 500,000 miles with just routine care. Consumer Reports ranks it as one of the most reliable SUVs every single year. If you need a family car that will never leave you stranded, the CR-V is as dependable as it gets. Number 3. Toyota Prius. Hybrid cars usually worry people with expensive battery replacements, but the Toyota Prius has proven those fears wrong. Millions of Priuses have crossed the 300,000-mile mark with original batteries still going strong. Taxi companies around the world use Priuses because they're cheap to run and nearly impossible to kill. Yes, it may look a little quirky, but the Prius is one of the most reliable cars ever made, saving you money on both gas and repairs. Number 2. Toyota Land Cruiser. The Toyota Land Cruiser isn't just reliable, it's legendary. Around the world, it's known as the vehicle that survives anything. In Africa, Australia, and the Middle East, Land Cruisers are used in the harshest conditions, deserts, jungles, mountains, because they simply don't break down. Owners routinely report 500,000 miles or more, and some Land Cruisers from the 1980s are still running today. It's not cheap, but if you want a vehicle that will outlive you, the Land Cruiser is it. Number 1. Toyota Hilux. And here it is, the king of indestructible cars, the Toyota Hilux. This pickup has a global reputation for being unstoppable. It's been tested in war zones, deserts, frozen tundras. You name it, the Hilux survives it. In fact, the BBC show Top Gear once tried to destroy one by drowning it, setting it on fire, and even dropping it from a building. And it still ran. Hilux engines are simple, strong, and built to last decades. Owners across the world swear by its ability to run for 500,000 miles or more with nothing but basic maintenance. If you want the ultimate forever car, the Toyota Hilux is the one. And there you have it, the top 13 cars that never break down. These are the vehicles built to last a lifetime, trusted by millions, and proven on roads all over the world. So, which of these cars would you trust to drive forever? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more guides just like this one. Because when it comes to buying a car, peace of mind is priceless, and these are the cars that deliver it.